Hi guys, welcome back to my class. Okay, so let's start our lesson today. Okay, just begin the lesson. Answer me your question. What did you do yesterday? Okay, thank you for the ideas. Okay, so you have just your friend have just used a sentence to describe what did she has did yesterday. Okay, so our lesson today is aimed to help you to master the form and use of past simple tense. Okay, and also you will be able to remember the form of the past form of some regular and irregular verbs. Okay, and the third thing is that after the lesson, I hope that you can apply this tense in writing and also in speaking. Okay, so let's begin. I'm going to show you some pictures about robot at the moment. What is he doing, guys? Yes, that's right, he is working, or we can say Robert is at work at the moment. Okay, and how about last night? Oh, last night, can you give me a sentence? Okay, thank you, that's great. So now Robert is at work, but last night he watched TV with his family. Okay, so he wasn't at work. Thank you. So the first sentence you have just given to me is at present time. So what tense do we use? Okay, that's right, simple present. And the other two examples we use to describe last night. So in the past, we use the past time tense, and that is the tense we have today, the simple past tense. Okay? Okay, let's move on. So I'm going to write down the example you have just told me. Okay, Robert watched TV last night. Or another one, Robert didn't work last night. Okay, so just look at the examples and tell me what is the form of this tense, guys? Okay, that's right. Okay, thank you. So for the form, we use subject and verb in the second form. Okay, and in negative, we use did not. Okay, and in the question, we turn the auxiliary did into the beginning of the sentence. Okay, that's right. Okay, so let's finish with the next example with the form of be. Okay, Robert be at home last night. So how would you say in this situation? And another one, Robert be not at work last night. So how would you say? That's right, thank you. Robert was at home last night. Or we can say another one, Robert was not at work last night. That would be great, okay? So from now you can deduce the form of this tense with the verb be. Okay, that's great. Now we use the past form of to be, was and were, okay? And for the negation and the question form is quite similar, okay? Thank you for the ideas. Okay, so let's continue with the use of the tense, okay? I'm going to give you some example. You have to finish it and then we come to a conclusion. Is that okay? The first example, I go to Thailand last year. So how would you say in this situation, guys? Okay, that's right. I went to Thailand last year. Okay, so we want to describe the event or the situation that happened in the past. Okay, that is the first use for the tense. Now the second example. She sang very well when she was young. So how would you say? Okay, that's great. She sang very well when she was young. When she was young, not at the moment, in the past. So we want to use to describe a habit or an ability that someone has in the past. Okay, now let's move to the next example. Yesterday I met my best friend then we go for coffee. Remember the time? Yesterday. So how would you say? Okay, that's great. Yesterday I met my best friend. Then we go. Oh, I'm sorry, but we cannot use go here. We have to use. Yes, we have to use went. Yeah, that's right. We went for coffee. Okay, make sure to use the right form of the verbs. Okay, that's great. So what do we use it here for, guys? Okay, we used to talk about something happened after another in the past. Okay, is that okay, guys? Okay, so that is for the use of this tense. And now I want you to go to the next part regarding to the note. So I'm going to show you some example that we have so far. Robert was at home last night. Remember, last night. I went to Thailand last year. She sang very well. She sang very well when she was young. Okay, that would be great. She sang very well when she was young. Yes, so remember last night, last year, when she was young. Something that used to talk about times, is it right? And when was it? At present, in the future, in the past, guys? Yes, in the past. So you have to remember this. There are some signals for this tense. That is the indication words for the past time, like yesterday, last night, last month, last week, and so on. Okay, that is the first note for you. Is that okay? That's right. So let's move to the second part. Okay, next part. Let's move to verbs in past form. Okay, so I'm going to show you some picture with the words, and could you please give me the past form of this verb? The first one, what can you see? Talk. Yes, and what is its form, guys? That's right, talked. Okay, that's great, talked. And how about the next verb? Spill. And what is its form? Okay, spilled. That's great. Okay, next, pinch. What is the past form is pinched. Yes, that's right. The next word, want. Want. And we have wanted. That's correct. Okay, very good job. Let's move to the next one. Okay. Listen. Listened. That's right. Jump. Jumped. That's great. Walk. Okay, walked. So those are some of the verbs. Okay, and let's move to the next. Is that okay? We have something else. Wait, waited. That's right. Use, used. Okay. Clean, cleaned. Climb, climbed. And how about the next, guys? Dance. How about dance? Danced. Okay. Cry, cried. Watched, watched. Yes. Pushed. Okay. Fixed, pulled, looked. Washed. Okay. Asked, colored. Okay. So just tell me what is the common things of those verbs, guys? That's right, they are regular verbs, okay? And what do we do when we want to form a past form, a past simple form for this verb, for regular verbs? Okay, that's excellent job. We use ed after them, okay? That's right. And so, remember, for the regular verbs in past simple, we normally use ed, okay? But for example, you can say helped, and then we just use d, add d after it. Helped, loved, liked. Okay, for example. And when the verb ends with y and the consonant, then we turn it to I and we plus ed like this. Okay, study, carried, And also we other rules regarding to a single vowel and a single consonant is that we have to double it and then we plus ed. Okay, so that is the regular verbs in past form. And also I'm going to show you also the other verbs like, and all you have to do is find me the past form of these verbs. Is that okay? So tell me, what is the past form of win? Won, that's right. Break, exactly, broke. Find, very good, found. Give, excellent, gave. Okay, and how about cut? The same thing, cut. Okay, think, thought, that's very good. Take, talk. Okay, that's a very great job. You have very great answer today. Okay, thank you. And remember, for the irregular verbs, we have to memorize. We have no other ways than to memorize it. Okay, and remember to use the second columns for irregular verbs in past simple. Is that okay? So let's move on to the third one regarding to pronunciation for the ending ed. And that is, you have to review it in your EPP lesson. However, I have to repeat it. There are 3 ways for you to pronounce ed, the ending ed. Those are it, t, and d. So I just want you to revise it in the EPP lesson. Is that okay? So let's continue with the practice. Firstly, we are going to do some multiple choice questions in Kahoot. Okay, so now I want you to check out your cell phone and then just type in the address bar kahoot.it. Okay, and then now just look at the screen and you can see there's a code there. I want you to use that code and give me your name and then we can play the game. It's gaming time. Okay, thank you guys, very good. And in order to help you to memorize the verbs in irregular verbs in past form, I have designed some flashcards for you to learn on your home at home using Quizlet. So you can use this link. I'm going to send you this link to your email and then you can practice at home. Is that okay? Just click it on there and you can learn it on your own at home. Okay, now the next task is speaking time. So I want you to have around 5 minutes, okay, to think and then tell us in front of the class. Tell us about your last vacation. Last vacation. So tell me guys, is it in the past, at present, or in the future? Guys? That's right, in the past. So tell me, which tense will we use in this situation? Past tense. Okay, that's great. Now, 5 minutes from now on. Okay, speaking times. Now guys, let's move to the last activity for our lesson today, writing. Okay. You are going to write 150 words about your most memorable moment. Is that clear enough? Okay. Before you write, just tell me most memorable moment about the moment. So your moment that is memorable the most. Okay. And just tell me. So is it happen in the past? Is it in the past, at present, or in the future? Okay, something have already happened. Yes. So what tense do we use here? Simple past tense, that's right. Thank you. Okay guys, so that's all for my lessons. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.